Hey, what's up, guys and gals? This is Dwight with Retro Crypto YouTube channel. Got a good video for you guys today. Actually, I like this one. I was looking forward to doing it all day. Been kind of dragging my feet a little bit, but I'm definitely back in the game. I'm intending to get a video out to you guys every day, if in worst case scenario, every other day. Before we get started, remember, I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right. Now, with that said, if you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you haven't had a chance yet, what better time than now? Just hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the like button. Matter of fact, all of you hit the like button. The like button tells the YouTube algorithm to send more traffic to my channel for more discovery, audience discovery, all that good stuff. And if you already done both of those, might as well hit that little bell, and that way you'll be notified any and every time I upload a new video. All right, anyway, let's dive right into it, guys. I got a lot I want to talk about today. Pretty excited about this video, tell you the truth. All right, guys. First things first, let's talk about this right here. I'm gonna jump over to this because it just happened, and it's pretty exciting news. Elon Musk tells Twitter he wants out of his deal to buy it. Elon wants to terminate his $44 billion deal to buy Twitter, the latest in a whirlwind process in which the billionaire Tesla CEO became the company's biggest shareholder, turned down a board seat and agreed to buy the social media platform, and then started raising doubts about going through with the deal. The next chapter in the saga is almost certain to be a court battle. Guys, I'm not a fan of Elon Musk, and he's a game player. And in my mind, in my heart, in my soul, I don't feel he's trustworthy at all. To be 100% honest, I felt like him pumping. Well, actually, I believe Dogecoin pumped itself at the beginning of the previous bull market, but then Elon Musk got in there and he did a major rug pull, and people let him do it because it's legal. Sucks, but it's legal. But yeah, he did a rug pull, and the average person still doesn't realize that this man financed his mission to Mars or the moon, wherever he wants to do next, or his cars. He financed it with a major rug pull that was legal. Pumping dump, that's a better term for it. But yeah, so he's not going to be buying Twitter. I'm not sure if he will be good for Twitter or not. It is a fact that Twitter has had freedom of speech issues and censorship problems, so we're gonna have to wait and see how that goes, or just maybe just more of the same. But yeah, so there you go. Elon Musk is pulling out on the Twitter deal. All right, guys. Next up, what I'd like to talk to you about here is the Bitcoin clock right here. The Bitcoin halving clock has us 634 days, 5 hours, 7 minutes, 29 seconds, and counting. And we're counting down. It's a little bit over. Is that over or under 2 years? 365 days in a year. Man, it's pretty damn close. But anyway, you get the idea. You know what? I feel stupid now. I have to get the calculator. 365 times 2 is 730. Okay, so we're under 2 years, which is actually, this is kind of exciting to me. Now, it's exciting to me because I'm a hardcore crypto enthusiast, and I also realized that just how the bear market didn't just happen overnight. Or the bull market didn't happen overnight. It's a buildup. I mean, granted, it's big waves, but it's a gradual buildup. But yeah, this is actually really exciting here. And let's jump over here to what else. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about, the fear and greed indicator. The fear and greed indicator is currently indicating that we are still very much so in extreme fear. Yesterday we were in extreme fear. Last week, last month, so we're still very fearful. I thought that we had passed that, but not quite. But we are ticking up. So it's something that every so often you may want to take a quick peek at this. This says all you gotta do is type in fear and greed indicator Bitcoin. You'll get a ton of ones that pop up there. You find which one works best for you. All right, now let's take a look here at the market. Let's take a looky see. Bitcoin. I'm sorry, guys. Today is July 8th. It's 2022, and it's at 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, guys. If you didn't notice, my video yesterday was a little funky. Like, I recorded like 30 minutes of video. Then when I went to go edit it, I realized that I didn't record the screens. I was recording the wrong screenshot. I was ticked off. I was so mad. But I'll make this not going to happen today. We're good to go this time. Matter of fact, I see something I don't like. Maybe I should just leave it alone. I'm not. Nope. I'm too dumb. There we go. Get rid of that white line. All right, guys. So here we go. Bitcoin is currently sitting at number one spot at $21,797. Ethereum's the number two market cap spot at 1,235. We'll drop past some stable coins. I was talking to my wife about this earlier today. I'm done with stable coins. After what I lost with Terra Luna, I didn't lose a house or even a luxury car or spike. You know what I mean? I lost enough value with Terra Luna. I'm not going to yeah. Stable coins. I lost faith. I don't have any faith in them actually. My stable coin is the US dollar right now, guys. It's the US dollar, Bitcoin, Ethereum, which they're not stable. That's a problem, is that they fluctuate. But I lost a lot of faith. How do you guys feel about that? Leave a comment. Inquiring Minds wants to know. Cardano, XRP is at number 7 spot at 34 cents. You got Cardano number 8 at 47 cents. Don't forget that Vassal hard fork's coming, guys. Big deal. It's a huge deal to see Cardano run up at least 100%. It more than likely will, but I'm gonna take preface. But we'll talk about that later. Solana is at number 9 spot at $38.57. Then we have Hex, Polkadot. I love Polkadot. Dogecoin. I don't love Dogecoin, but I have respect for it, and I know what it can do. It has the following. It is what it is. They're in the number 10 spot at almost 7 cents. Polkadot, that's a good one. They're in number 11 spot at $7.10. And Hex, I love Hex. Hex will find its way back up here, guys. Hex is right now is the number 13 spot at 0.0376 cents, which is really starting to feel like to me that Hex has bottomed out, guys. It really is feeling that way to me. All right, let's take a quick peek here with the total market cap. I got my changed my charts up again a little bit. I'm doing the 20, 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving average indicators, and you'll see here that, well, at the bottom of the screen here, I also did a fear and greed. I brought back my fear and greed indicator on the screen. So currently, for the overall crypto market, that's everything. That encompasses everything. That's at $939 billion right now. It is currently, since the 7th up to now, it is currently in the greedy side of things on the fear and greed indicator. The moving averages, the 20 days, the purple, the green is the 50, the 100 is the orange, and the red is the 200. If you look at this real quick, it's getting twisted up in a little tight knot here, like it wants to do something. So it's like, what's up? You know, it's like a Twizzler. It's like when a Twizzler, it's getting real tight there, guys, and something's about to happen. So I need you guys to keep a real close eye on that, because when it happens, it'll happen fast. Do I think the bear market's anywhere near over yet? No, I do not. I do not feel that way at all. But I do feel that we are due, maybe like, my camera's off. We're due like a relief run. Like, it'll pump up for a little bit, but then it's going to pull back, and everybody who had a weak hand, who tried to jump in and get rich again overnight, are going to end up selling, and it's a continuous vicious cycle, guys. All right, so the VRVP indicator chart currently has the bottom support for the overall crypto market set at 767.5 billion. All right, that's where it should hold up. It drops beneath that, we got problems, guys. The upper range, it has it set at, did I put this one in here? No. All right, the upper range is set at 1.332 trillion. And I've got like too many things to run here. Something snuck in here on me. Oh, there we go. Yep, that worked perfect. All right, and yeah, so this one here should move around as I move it. Yep, there it goes. All right, so you'll notice here that there was the volume. It's entering an area where the volume is very weak. I really love to see how this is going to play out. Only time will tell. All right, let's keep this moving forward. Bitcoin, as doing its usual, is staying within this really tight range. Well, actually, it's moved on from being in that super tight range. Right now, it's hitting a resistance point at 22,330. And these are different points that I drew in like over like 2 months ago, and it's living up to it perfectly. It's kind of awesome. But yeah, so we're just have to wait and see how this is going to play out here. But it's just bouncing off of that resistance point. And like I said, I think to see a $25,000 Bitcoin, definitely can see it happening. And I really feel like, just looking how the market's behaving right now, something big's going to happen. But I still don't think we're at the bottom of the bear market. I'm starting to feel like it's a bull trap coming. Like I saw somebody put a dead cat bounce in, yada yada yada. But deep in my heart, I feel like it's going to be a bear trap. It's going to do a little run up. It might go between 25,000, 28, 27, but then it's going to pull back. But I still feel that it's going to hit at least 15,000 before it's all set. All right. Looking here at Bitcoin with the exponential moving average here, and you'll see that Bitcoin, a daily chart, is considered bearish. But if we look at it on a 4-hour chart, it is 100% bullish. I mean, a very healthy bullish at that. And the 2-hour chart is going to look even sweeter. Yes, indeed. All right. Bitcoin right now on the or bear with me real quick. All right, Bitcoin with the looking at the moving averages here is looking very similar to the overall crypto market cap that I just previously shown, where all the indicators 20 to 50, 100 day are all intertwined. This is a very bullish indicator here when they're all twisted up like this. And the 20 days actually popping up on top of both the 50 and 100. So something big's going to happen. And what I was referring to there is right here where you see this little purple guy right here popping up over these two. That's huge, guys. Oh man, so yeah, Bitcoin's gonna be doing something real big. Just don't get sucked in like, oh, we're back in business. We're in the bull market. I still think we have to go lower before it's all said. And I'm basing that on a little bit of charting and more gut. I'll be 100% honest with you guys. I've already been through this before, and it sucks. You just get used to it, and there's always the same thing over and over again. Just keeping it real. The bottom support line here, the main support for Bitcoin is at 17,372. That's why I'm thinking dropping in between 15,000 and 1,200. And then I think we're bottomed out. And maybe Richard Hart will release Pulse Chain because we all know he's just sitting on it, and I'm not mad at him. I just want it done. Killing me. You're killing me, Smalls. All right, right here. This is going to be a major resistance point for Bitcoin. Right here at the 30,000 mark, give or take. Yeah, it's 30,000 mark. That's going to be a serious resistance point. I don't foresee it breaking through it. Like I said, I'm betting on it kidding about that 25,000 mark at best. Where we got here? Here right now, I'm thinking that like right about here is where we should break past there, but it's going to get real thin, guys. Only time will tell. I don't really have a chart to show up exactly where I'm coming from with that, so I'm just going to keep going. You'll see that the Bitcoin's also very greedy right now also. The market cipher chart. This will be a really good chart to talk about. All right, so with the market cipher chart, you'll see that on a 4 chart here, we changed our previous trend on July 4th. Bullish indicators, a long signal, couple bearish indicators, then bullish again, then bearish, then bullish, and then one bearish and bullish. But Bitcoin's looking really good, guys. Bitcoin's going to be moving up more than it is now. It's very clear that it's going to do that. Just don't get carried away and think that we're out of the bear market. I'm going to keep saying it till I'm blue in the face. Well, I'm already brown in the face, so maybe hold my breath. No, it's fine. Anyway, I'm going to keep saying it, guys, because it's definitely, I'm telling you, it's like the same thing over and over again. It's almost shameful, but it's just the way the game is played. But like right here, you can see it. I can see it coming. Anyway, I'm gonna keep this going. Let me see if I can make that chart easily here, and I can. All right. So let's take a look over here with the Bitcoin with the RSI definitely has Bitcoin as being overbought right now. The Bollinger Bands also indicate Bitcoin being overbought right now. That's where it's riding up here over top of this line. If it was underneath of it, it would be oversold. The VRVP, the volume right here, this has the support level at the very bottom, the support level that we cannot afford to break, which we will eventually, is at 17,491, like I just said previously. And yeah, so we have to see how this plays out. All right, got a little wedge here that drew out for Bitcoin. It looks like we're already starting to break out of it, which is good. When we break out northward, we know that we're going to be going. We're going to be up. We're going to at least hit here. Now, from there, we might make it up to here, but I truly don't foresee it going much higher. I foresee it hitting a significant resistance point at this point right here, and that will be at 27,987. Before that resistance point there, the next resistance point was right here, and that resistance point will come in at about 25,000. But you know, we'll watch how this plays out. This is technical analysis. It's not. I don't have a crystal ball. I just got my little mic here. My mic sounds nice. Check one. Sorry, that was cheesy. Some of you guys know what I'm talking about. There was a group called Salt and Pepper back in the day. I'm old, y'all. You can't tell. All right. Anyway, that was cheesy. If you know me in the world, I'm cheesy. All the time, people at work tell me, "You know, you're not funny." Like, I don't give a. I think I'm funny. That's all that matters. But anyway, let's see here. I didn't want to curse there because I think YouTube algorithm actually punishes you when you curse. I noticed videos that when I just let loose, the traffic dropped. I was like, damn. I thought everything's based on fakeness. That's the way the world is. All right. So anyway, so if it breaks through this wedge where it looks like it's going to, these are the resistance points I think are going to occur, and I'm almost positive that's going to happen, guys. I'm actually positive that I would feel comfortable logging, but I don't suggest you to long or short the market because, as Richard Hart also says, more people end up losing money than winning. It's like having casinos. I have a lot of casinos around where I live at. Didn't used to, but there are a lot now, and people go gamble a lot. And casinos are businesses. I mean, they're designed to make money off of you. So the house always wins. So why do people always give the house their hard-earned money? Anyway, all right, right here, Ethereum. Sorry, gamblers, 'cause I'm a gambler. I do gamble a little bit in the crypto world. All right, here we go, guys. Ethereum. Right here, Ethereum is over the exponential moving average. Super bullish for Ethereum, guys. Super bullish, right behind Bitcoin. Actually, I think I'm starting to hear people say things about Ethereum that does matter. Like Ethereum will be taking over, passing Bitcoin in market cap, and that'll be huge. That's a game changer. But only time will tell. And for you guys that don't quite understand what I mean by that, basically that's the U.S. and China right now, and then say, okay, the what is it, China? The yuan? I think the yuan has replaced the dollar in overall value across the world. You know, you get the idea. It's a huge deal. So yeah, that's looking great for Ethereum. We look here with the market cipher chart with Ethereum starting July 4th. There was a blood diamond and a sell signal, which is significantly bad. But then we came back with a change from previous trend right here and a long signal, some bullish continuations, just a few bearish continuations. But yeah, Ethereum's looking very healthy, guys. Very, very healthy. More so than Bitcoin, to tell you the truth. All right. Ethereum with this chart here indicates that Ethereum actually is currently drifted off into the fearful side of things for right now. And as you can tell, if you look at the moving averages, look at this. This is crazy. It looks like everything else are just twisted like Twizzlers. Man, when this thing blows, it's going to be big. Right now, the strong support level for Ethereum will be 878. If it drops beneath that, I don't know where the bottom's going to decide to come out at. It'll be down there, though. All right. Let's talk about HEX. All right. I got another Salt and Pepper song. Let's talk about HEX, baby. Let's talk about you. Oh, man, I'm on it today. What's up with me? All right, so here we go. All right, so HEX currently is in the fearful side of things with the fear and greed indicator. There's a lot going on in the HEX world right now. Not directly connected to HEX because we're just waiting for Pulse Chain, but there was a few airdrops out there. I'll talk to you about in a minute, but let's go back to this. All right, so HEX right now is just like everything else. Actually, HEX is there. The moving average is intertwined so tight that I gotta pull the chart out just so you can see it. The 20-day just crossed over to 50, and then you have the 100 and the 200 right here, and the 200 is about to go underneath the 100, which is good. But yeah, man, the market's going to explode upward. I just don't get too sucked in. I'm planning on taking profits, taking a little bit of profit, and then buying, put it right, reinvest it right back in. Not planning on taking profits and running with it. I just want to put it right back in. But yeah, wow, that is crazy right there, guys. And it looks like that support line in the middle that it's bouncing around on right now is where we're at 0.37 cents. Now the lower support that we really can't afford to break is at 0.027, but anything's possible. But man, yeah, I'm telling you guys, this market's ready to blow. If you can't see it, you're blind. And I am blind because I should be wearing my glasses right here, but my glasses glare, so I don't wear them. It's kind of annoying. All right. Right here, the RSI for HEX. Let's take a look back here real quick. The RSI for HEX right here has HEX in a neutral, so it's not being overbought or oversold currently. The Bollinger Bands also has it in a neutral territory, which is a good thing. And that support level, which I just mentioned there. And it does have an upper support level. I really feel like the upper resistance level, when it does make a move, is going to be in that 5 cent range first, and then from there. But I think it's going to hit more resistance at 5 cents. But like I said, like I always say, these are going to be good problems when it makes a move. These are good problems. We'll talk about it when we get there. All right, market cipher for HEX doesn't look healthy compared to the other charts. Granted, that's the 2-hour chart. On a 4-hour chart, HEX doesn't look healthy. All right, HEX right here has a short signal just popped up at 4 o'clock, 1600 hours. That is not good. It's not a blood diamond with a sell signal, but it is a short signal. So it's saying that there may be an opportunity for you to short HEX to, make some money. So yeah, HEX is in the middle of another downtrend. What's new, right? Just got to hodl, hold the line, hold the faith. I'm very faithful. I have no question HEX is going. All right, Bollinger Bands. Yep, there you go. HEX dropped underneath the Bollinger Bands. It is bearish. HEX is 100% bearish again, guys. Now, I will say that this is bullish, neutral, bearish, bearish. Is what it is. We're bouncing around this wedge. We're going to see if we're going to drop beneath it or go upward. Only time will tell. We're going to have to wait out. All right. And then I did a little secondary wedge to try something different, put dots in there. So if this doesn't hold and then we continue a little bit more, I'll give it a second chance to break through or to break downward so we can track it. All right. Now, before we go into the next big thing, interesting thing, actually, go to the next project. I want to remind you guys that I need you, I want you, I'm begging for you to join my Twitter account. Not Twitter account, I'm sorry, Telegram account. I really want to start talking to you guys. I don't want to do comments on YouTube. I want to talk to you on Telegram because, I remember Power City. I love that project. And that project I learned from one of my fellow viewers. So I feel like I can learn so much. You guys watch the videos. You may have something you want to point out to me. Hey, I'm an open book kind of dude. So please do me a favor. Join my Telegram group. It's the link right down beneath you on the screen. Just pause out, go down there, join it. Boom, you're back. And if you're not in Telegram, then you're not in crypto. If you're not in Twitter and you're not following me on Twitter, you're definitely not, you don't understand where the information is on cryptocurrency. Because a lot of stuff that, not the technical analysis, but all the information is out there. And it's at your fingertips. So make sure you join if you haven't done it yet. All right. Follow me on Twitter and make sure you're in my Telegram group. Discord, it's like a generational thing. Discord is very useful, extremely, but it's so damn difficult. But I also have a Discord thing too. You can join that. All right, let's keep this going. All right, so this is what I want to talk about. Wait. This is a new AirDrop project that just released. I think about 2 or 3 days ago now. I think on the 5th. It currently, let's refresh this, guys. It currently has 739 holders. Earlier today, it was like under 400. So people are claiming it. That is actually a very huge thing there, and I'll explain to you why. Let's look at it. Wait. Now it's at oxwait.com. All right. I'll try to make sure I put a link down on the description of the video. But this is a new AirDrop. So let's go ahead and launch DApp. All right. There was like a little bit of concern about if when you launch this dApp, if when you're connected to your wallet, you have anything to worry about. I feel safe. I feel safe with it. There's a Crypto Coffee did a whole video on it, and I do trust him. So yeah, I feel okay with that. Now the whole concept behind this project is that the airdrop you'll be rewarded depending upon what sacrifices you took part in. I dropped the ball on this one. I should have did this one. I should have did this one. I wanted to do this one. Obviously, I did these, but so is life. You know what I mean? I think I'm going to regret this, but I'm kind of getting to this NFT shit stuff. Sorry, I'm starting getting to the NFT, and I would love to get into it on Hex on the Hex. So we'll see how it works out with Pulse Chain. Should I say? Use my ugly green cup. All right, all right. Oh wow, that's funny. The cup thing is like ugly green, right? But because of my green background behind me, you couldn't see the cup. That's awesome. All right, sorry. All right, so okay, so we go back over here. So this is how this all here is supposed to work. They have a demo site here where what you'll do is you'll put your. I don't want to put my address in there, obviously. You'll put this in here. You'll click check database, and it'll tell you what you can be rewarded, and you can collect your drop now, or you can wait. And the basic concept of this is, well, let's do this. Let's just read through this, look through this white pages. I'm skimming through it, and then you can go to the site and check it out yourself. All right. So, introduction. What is Wait? Wait is an ERC20 smart contract that tokenizes time spent waiting for the launch of Pulse Chain, the new DPoS Ethereum fork being created by Richard Hart. While alluded to, the Pulse Chain release date has never been confirmed, leaving the community to continuously wait for deployment. Coast intends to gamify this time period and give free wait tokens to anyone who sacrificed for Pulse and Pulse X. We have further included sacrifices for 6 other projects building on the Pulse chain. Wait uses a combination of smart contracts, connectors, blah 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 blah. Now, one thing that they do have that I don't like is that they're anonymous. The devs are anonymous. I don't like that. What do you got to hide? But even Pulse chain devs are anonymous. I know, I get it, but I do trust Richard Hart. Wait, I don't even know who you are. You know where I'm coming from. All right, but before the rush claim, all right, so here, let's read some more. Total supplier weight will depend on the launch date for Pulse Chain. Every hour that passes before Pulse launches entitles each address, and each sacrifice is set a mint an additional weight. But before you rush to claim, please note that you can only claim one time from each sacrifice. So if you claim your weight from the Pulse sacrifice on launch day, July 5th. Pulse does not launch until Christmas. You will have missed out on 4,272 weight. Because it's impossible to know, blah, 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 blah. Okay, we'll jump down here. Acknowledge sacrifices. So these are the ones that they acknowledge. Like that's Pulse Chain, Pulse X. I don't remember. I don't know. It was on this page over here. Who is that? It's like, who invited them to the party? Hurry Cash. I don't know. I feel like I should know, but I don't know. That kind of worries me. Mintra. This is another one that I don't know that I probably should know. IMD. Liquid Loans. Fiat. I wanted to get in Fiat. They had a very limited, and whatever that one is. All right. Tokenomics. Launch supply. There will be 881,347,580 for weight. Eligible to claim, there's 195,554 wallets. Daily inflation, 4,693,296. Weight. Total potential supply of weight will be locked when Pulse Chain launches. Okay. On July 5th, launch date, the following weight will be available to mint. So it's a pretty cool breakdown here. I do like this white page. It's flowing very well. Weight can be minted per address that participated in the 8 sacrifices previously outlined. However, this distribution is not even because we all possess proof of weight system. Those that have waited the longest are able to mint the most weight. Okay, that makes sense. There's Pulse Chain. That makes a lot of sense, actually. Remember, everybody was all talking about Pulse X all the time. Oh, Pulse X, Pulse X. They're just No, Paul's chain is what you need to worry about. I'm sorry you were late. I'm sorry you didn't take full advantage last July. Better luck next time. You know what I mean? But anyway, let me keep going. Sorry. Nobody even talks about Paul Sex no more. It's just funny to me. Shares each for each weight the sacrificer mints, they will receive a corresponding share. Shares are used to calculate and distribute the bonuses and blah blah blah. Claiming the bonuses. Here we go. Free claims. You can only complete a claim function one time for each project sacrifice. This means the longer you wait, the more weight you receive. But wait too long and you'll miss your chance to claim when Pulse Chain launches, and your weight will be distributed to those that didn't claim, and the timekeeper via the midnight bonus. All right. Let's read this again. But wait too long and you'll miss your chance to claim when Pulse Chain launches, and your weight will be redistributed to those that did claim, and the timekeeper via. Okay. All right. Weight can be minted. Ending claim function upon launch of Pulse Chain. One-time irreversible and minting manager function. Okay. There will be no more new weight created after the event. Midnight bonus. Only 3% of Bitcoin holders claim their free HEX. Therefore, it is unlikely that the eligible addresses will be claimed their free weight. When Pulse Chain launches, the unclaimed weight will be distributed proportionately to those that did claim based on the number of shares they received when they minted weight. What's this? See below with reduced and simplified numbers. For Paul's 10,000 potential claim bonus, timekeeper. All right. The timekeeper is an Ethereum address that receives 50% of the midnight bonus when Pulse Chain launches. It performs no other functions. Let's jump backwards here, guys, from this timekeeper thing. All right. Like I said, I'm just perusing through here. I did want to look into the timekeeper function a little bit. Game theory, patience. The primary game theory component with weight contract is that the longer you can wait before you claim, the more weight and shares you will see. The only problem with this is it kind of reminds me of P33, and it kind of just like drifted off to nowhere. But now that project was from the guys that created free Pulse.io, which if you guys haven't looked into that, you definitely look into it. It's gonna be free Pulse when Pulse goes live. The chicken. Have you ever? Whatever. But anyway, guys, this is a pretty cool white page. I suggest that you look at it. Let's look at this real quick here. Leagues based on your ownership. Oh, I'm a roach. I'm a flea. Anyway, cool stuff. Definitely want you guys to read this on your own. Let's keep it moving. Now that's going to be weight. All right, we talked about this character. All right, can't leave without talking about weight here. Okay, so weight currently, the low point for weight was all the way down here at 0.00611. It's currently sitting at 0.00850. If you're wondering what I'm using a deck screener, weight /USDC. All right. And I had difficulties finding a site with the correct numbers. But anyway, it's all good. And down here you can see the volume, what's going on. Now, I did something that was a little weird earlier. I'm trying to play the market. We'll see how it works out for me. I didn't bet the farm, but I threw like $200 on the table. I just want to see what happens if I buy weight. I brought weight down here at like 0.0086. So I brought it right here, right about here. And so I'm still good. I might be down just a hair. It's all good. But it did turn around. It did go up to like a penny earlier. And I was pretty damn excited about it. So I like to see how this is going to play out. Now I didn't claim yet, but I do intend to claim it. But I'm just trying to do my own little thing here to see how it works. All right. Ooh, it's getting long. Let's jump right over here to Cardano real quick, guys. I can never do a video without talking to you about Cardano. Cardano Vassal Hard Fork is going to be coming out, guys. Pay attention. Pay attention to the market, all right? Because this baby's probably going to go up 100%. It's a good chance to, make a significant profit, sell it, buy back when it pulls back on you, because it's going to happen. Moving averages for Cardano is looking nice, guys. Look at this. 20-day crossed over to 50-day and it's approaching 100-day. Perfect. Big things are about to happen with Cardano, guys. Has a strong support level here around 44 cents. It's just been trading this real tight range for a little bit. It's kind of frustrating. Makes people lose focus. Just got to keep focused, guys. Cardano is the real deal. With the exponential moving average, if we look at it on a 4-hour chart, it actually has Cardano as being bullish on a 4-hour chart. Daily chart, no, not so much. 4-hour chart, this is bullish. Now, we'll admit that it's wicking back down into the ribbons. So, but up, it broke back over it. So, yeah, it's still bullish. And Cardano on the market cipher chart, 100% bullish right now, guys. Very bullish. It's cooling up very tight. It's going to pop. Just remember, take your profits. For me, I'm going to take a series. I'm probably going to walk it out. I'm gonna take it out as like, okay, when I say what I'm saying is, I'm 70 cents. I'll take 5-10%. 80 cents. Take another 5-10%, and keep taking it as my profits as I go up. And yeah, I'm very confident in this. Only thing that I struggle with is I have no respect for stable coins, so it's a game changer for me. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna play this game, but I'm gonna win this damn game. But all right, guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment. If you watch my videos all the time, join my Telegram just to help me out. You know what I mean? Make sure you follow me on Twitter. Hit that like button. Until next time, guys, stay blessed. All right, peace out.